Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a 2006 Easy Lawn C95 Contractor's Edition trailer mounted Hydroseeder. Guys, I'm standing here and I'm going to tell you this. Finn is the top dog in the industry, but Easy Lawn has got a machine here that'll put a Finn to a shame. It's unbelievable the advances that Easy Lawn has made in this machine. It comes standard with an all stainless steel tank, standard bale grinder, and it has a pump on it that I have never seen. It'll boil water like you won't believe. It is unbelievable pressure that this machine makes. This is a Cadillac of a Hydroseeder that come with all the standard options. This machine new today is $52,000. This machine has 204 original hours, is powered by a John Deere 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The purpose of this video today, before I get ahead of myself, is to give you a 360-degree view of this machine. We're going to start, run, and boil water with this machine. We already have it loaded with water. We're going to show you that every function works just the way it's supposed to. We're going to go ahead and start you right here at the back of the machine and take you completely around it. Right here you can see that this machine has an electric Haynes hose reel on it. Everything works, which we'll institute that here in a second. You'll be able to see everything works. Man bought this machine brand new in 2006. They had a few jobs for it. Man went out of business. I purchased it from the man that run it for him. He had done one job with it himself. The machine is just set. There's 204 original hours on it. Has approximately 100 feet of hose, 125 feet of hose with it. Everything works. There's a wide fan nozzle here. We'll bring you on around. This is really a neat setup. It is a hydraulically driven 3-inch by 4-inch trash style pump on this machine. Super efficient. There's no clutch to engage, no belt to slip, chain to break. It's hydraulically driven. It works just absolutely fantastic. You can see in here, we want to get a close-up, it's all really nice and clean. There's no leaks. Really straight machine. And again, Finn is the Cadillac, but Easy Lawn has got a machine here that will put a Finn to shame. It's unbelievable the advances they've made on these machines. And this is a true mechanical agitated machine. We want to get you a close-up here of the serial plate. Tires are all in excellent condition. The powder coats come off the wheels just a little bit from setting. Doesn't affect anything. We're just telling you that straight up. Tires will be approximately 75% all the way around. Trailer brakes work. Turn signals, marker lights, all work. We're going to bring you on around here into the engine compartment. This is powered by a 4-cylinder John Deere 50 horsepower turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs great. Doesn't smoke or have any abnormal noises. While I was here, we went ahead and serviced it. New fuel filter, air filter, engine oil filter. Everything here is good to go, ready to go to work. In here is your hydraulic area. Everything is nice and clean. There's no oil run down anything. All the hoses are good. You can see everything in there is very nice and straight. All the skid material, just so you can see in the pictures, is all really nice and straight and original. On the deck plate out here on the hitch, up on the deck itself, they have a anti-skid material for safety. It's all very nice. Pulls off a 2 5/16 trailer ball. Has a 7-pin plug right here. Most common on everybody's truck today. Has a nice big toolbox on it where you can keep supplies and nozzles and things of that nature. Over here on this side, so you can see this side is very nice and clean also. Rubber's in good condition again. This particular machine does come with a 2-inch Honda top fill pump. What you can do with this machine, and this is another option that's absolutely unbelievable nobody else has. And I know why, because it's expensive. This machine has a 100-gallon flush tank. Whenever you are sucking out of a creek or you're feeding from a fire hydrant, you simply flip this valve. There's an auxiliary tank on the side of the machine. It fills it with clean, fresh water. Whenever you're done running your slurry through your machine, instead of having to go back, reload your tank with water, flush it out, go back, reload your tank with water, flush it out, you can take this clean water right out of this tank. Valve you flip over there on the side allows the clean water to come out and flush 2 things. You can flush your hose reel, you can flush your pump, and your tower gun. What an option. Everybody's machine should have that, but Easy Lawn's really doing some thinking here. Also, they give you an option here to spin on a garden hose. If you would want to clean your machine up, if you have a bunch of tackets come down, you can take that water and spray your machine down. The water pump itself works. We have tested it. Does come with some suction hose, and it top fills right here. There is a new ball valve on here. It was stuck. We put a brand new one on. At this time, we're going to take you up top, show you inside the tank. And again, this is a complete stainless steel. I can't emphasize that enough. Nobody else is out there doing that. Finn had done that on some big 280 and 300 gallon, 3,000 gallon machines. It was a super expensive option. Easy Lawn has done this as a standard. Essentially, with normal maintenance, this Hydroseeder will last a guy a lifetime. This does have a bale grinder. It's in good condition. Bearings are all good. We're going to go ahead and open up the side door over here. The tank has 2 access points. You have an access point to feed a bale and break it up with your bale grinder, or you can feed it down through here. This piece of stainless simply just comes out. You can see inside the tank it's very nice and clean. There's some paint loss area on the agitator. It is plain steel, but it's very, very nice condition. We'll go ahead and set this back in. We will start the machine so that you can see the agitation works. Back here where the guy always hauled his water pump, you can see it's scuffed up, the stainless steel. This is stainless steel decking back here where they had the anti-skid guard on there. It's scratched that up some. Doesn't affect anything, we're just pointing it out. They have a very convenient nozzle holder here to hold your different nozzles. Does come with a long range, a shorter range nozzle, a wide fan for up top also. Swivel joints are all in good condition. This is your pump control, a variable speed hydraulic pump, and it's unbelievable how well that works. Then you have a horn button there. Now, we're going to take you over here to the instrument cluster. You can see right here you have a voltmeter, hour meter and tachometer, 204 original hours, pressure gauge for hydraulics. This simply slows down or speeds up your agitator. This engages to spray your agitator. That's for mix, and then you have a forward and reverse for your bale grinder. I'm going to go ahead and start this machine. We're going to engage the agitator to show you that it does mix, and we're going to show you that the bale grinder works. If the camera guy, we're going to point the camera over here to the exhaust, which is right down here. Whenever we start it, that way you see it doesn't have any abnormal smoke. Start this water pump just to show you that it does start. We don't want to let it run. There is some water in there, but we don't want to burn anything up. And it does work. It's not a new pump, but it does come along with the machine. At this time, what I'm going to do, we're going to have the camera guy get down. We're going to spray out of the hose reel for you first, and then we're going to spray out of the tower gun. we hope we've educated you. We hope we have shown you from taking the time to load this machine with water, to take the time to walk around it and show you that Easy Lawn is really building a top-notch product. Remember, it comes standard with a stainless steel tank. There's nothing to ever go wrong there. There's nothing but maintenance items on this machine that you'll ever replace. They are using one heck of a pump. It's unbelievable the pressure that thing really has. Very, very nice rack setup, bale grinder, all standard. It's on a tandem axle 14,000 GVW trailer, which we also have a good clean PA title for. It does also have a Haynes electric hose reel. The options this machine has is unbelievable. And at the end of the day, it's powered by a 4-cylinder John Deere turbocharged diesel engine, which in my book is one of the best. If you take this machine and look at it, there's a lot of money to be made in the hydroseeding industry. And if you were to go out today and spend $52,000 for a new machine, you better have a lot of work for it. But we have priced this machine, we feel, very reasonable in the market for the features that this machine has and the machine that it really is. And that's what you have to remember. Don't take Easy Lawn in the name of jet agitation for the cheaper models that they build for the homeowner and for the small rental company. You gotta look. This is built for the contractor. This is the industrial machine. If you look on their website, it is listed under the C95. Easy Lawn is built in Delaware. Very nice company. A father and son own it. Everyday normal working people. Please go on their website, read about it. And again, this machine new today is $52,000. This machine is up and ready to go to work tomorrow. If you would like to come by and see this machine, you are welcome to do so. We will load it with water for you. You can see it work. We have nothing to hide here. If you need a transport quote, you're more than welcome to call us. We'll be glad to get that for you. If you would want to tow this machine from here to California, we don't feel there'd be any issue. We have checked the brakes, wheel bearings are excellent, and it's setting on very good rubber. And again, if you have any questions, please give Mark or Nick a call at 814-658-3066. You can also email us at marksupplyco@penswoods.net. We'll be glad to help in any way. Thank you very much for looking at all our items on eBay. Please also check, I do have some Finn B70 straw blowers in stock right now. If you have any questions or would like a combined quote on a pair of machines, feel free to call us. Again, thank you for checking out Mark's Supply 88. And without you, the customer, we would be nothing. Thank you and have a good day.